Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to visualize your data with Airtable charts. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, you'll want to open your Airtable base and select the table where your data is stored. The reason we choose a table is because Airtable uses this as the foundation for your chart. Now that we've done that, let's move to the next step. Go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Add a View button. From the drop-down menu, select Chart. This helps us because it creates a new chart view where you can select the kind of chart you want to use to visualize your data. Next up, choose your chart type. You could use a bar chart, pie chart, line chart, or scatter plot, among others. The type of chart you choose is important because it should best represent your data and make it easier to understand. For instance, if you want to compare different categories of data, a bar chart might be most effective. Once you've chosen your chart type, it's time to set up your X and Y axes. To do this, choose the fields you want to use from your table. The X-axis typically represents categories, and the Y-axis typically represents quantities. This matters because the axes form the basis of your chart, helping you to interpret your data visually. Now that we've done that, it's time to customize our chart. You can adjust colors, label positions, and more. Doing this step is crucial because it allows you to highlight key data points and make your chart more engaging and informative. After you've customized your chart, you're good to go. You've now successfully visualized your data with an Airtable chart. But let me explain why this matters. Visualizing data in this way makes complex information digestible, helps identify trends, and aids decision-making. It's a powerful tool for any business or individual dealing with data. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you can transform your raw data into a clear, visually appealing chart using Airtable. Thanks for joining me today, and happy charting!